Go to the MagicLight homepage. You'll see two options: Create AI Video and Create AI Character. If you want to create a video, click Input Text. We're now on this screen. At the top, you'll see 4 steps. Right now, we're on the first one. Let's check out aspect ratio next. There are 2 options: landscape
A group of terrorists is plotting a terrifying attack.
and portrait.
Mysterious murals begin appearing overnight, leading a skeptical journal.
You can also pick from different video languages. Plus, there are tons of styles to choose from. Pick the style you want. On the right side of the screen is the content input area. There are 2 input options: generate from prompt and use my content. If you pick generate from prompt, just type in your idea and the AI will expand on it for you. Not sure what to write? No worries. Check out the sample ideas below for inspiration. On the other hand, use my content means you're using your own ideas as is, no AI expansion. Here's a quick tip: number of generated shot, and there's a limit on the total word count. You can add more shots too. Just hit the enter key where you want to make a new line. To make the story more interesting, you can add more scenes. Click Next. Now we're on step 2, choosing a character. At the top left, you'll see the project name. And here is where you pick the character's position. Click Edit Character. You'll get a character library. There will be lots of characters to choose from. If you don't find the right one, you can create your own. Click Create, or create one from the homepage. Next, keep choosing a character. Once you've picked one, click a Confirm. Next. Now we're on step 3, storyboard. In the top left, you'll find the voiceover and background music. You can adjust the voiceover speed. You can also pick the right voiceover. MagicLight offers you a variety of voiceovers to choose from. There are also plenty of background music options available. You can adjust the music volume using the volume settings. In the bottom left, you'll see the generated shots. You can pick a shot to edit if needed. At the top center, you'll see the shot preview. It also shows the voiceover text. At the bottom center, there's a history of the previous frames. In the top right, there's Edit Characters. Here, you can add or change characters, but you can have up to 2. Below that, you'll find Edit Storyboard. You can adjust the character's movements here. No character in the voiceover. No need to pick an action. Further down, you'll find the scene description. If the scene isn't what you wanted, edit the description and click or regenerate. This will generate a new scene for you. Want the scene to move? Click Animate in the bottom right. I recommend using Animate Pro. There are 2 ways to animate it. The first is auto-generated. The second is based on your description. Like, just type, "Put on sunglasses." Once everything's set, just click a Generate Video. Once it's done, you get the full video. In the top right, you can choose to publish or download. Below that, you can pick a video cover.
Mysterious murals begin appearing overnight, leading a skeptical journalist to uncover a secret society hidden in plain sight. The journalist investigates the mysteriously appearing murals. The first clue leads to an old bookstore where related sketches are found in a rare book. A historian tells the journalist rumors about a secret society. During the investigation, the mysterious figure warns the journalist to stop, but the journalist ignores the threat. The journalist locates an abandoned warehouse in the outskirts of the city. Inside, whispers are heard, and a large mural is discovered. Just as the journalist is about to examine it, the lights go out.
Go ahead and give it a try.